After spending time on the mountain and you get back to camp and you're enjoying the view, you actually want something to match the quality of the beverage that you have on hand. And in this particular case, this flask checks all the boxes. The integrated cap is magnetically sealed on the top, and then on the bottom, this is what makes it unique. The bottom actually unscrews and opens up, allowing you enough room to actually fit ice cubes in there. So before you go on the mountain and you are pouring your precious beverage into your flask, it's not spilling everywhere. Plus, this wool case also protects the flask when you're on the trail. It is quite luxurious feeling, but enough of that. Let's actually show you exactly how to fill this flask, compared first with one of the top selling Stanley flasks right here. Look at that. That's ridiculous. It's pouring everywhere. Now, in fairness, if I tried to pour from the top on this flask, it's going to get everywhere also until you seal it, flip it upside down, and look at that. Not only is it not spilling everywhere, but also I can fit one large ice cube and another large ice cube in there, keeping it cold and chilled. And look at that. Now we can pour it effortlessly from the cap into the integrated cup. Also, it is magnetic, so you can actually store that right there. Isn't that just the coolest thing ever? It doesn't spill anywhere, so your precious beverage is not going to get your sleeping bag soaked as you're out there on the trail.